Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Want to make your Windows 11 PC pop with stunning animated wallpapers? In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to set up live wallpapers using a free app called Lively Wallpaper. We'll cover installing the app, picking awesome pre-built wallpapers, and even setting your own custom videos or YouTube links as your background. It's super easy and it'll take less than 10 minutes. Let's get started. First, we need to download Lively Wallpaper. Open your favorite browser like Chrome or Edge and type Lively Wallpaper in the search bar. Hit enter. Look for the link that says Rocks Danister. That's the official site for Lively Wallpaper. Left-click that link. On the website, you'll see a big download button. Left-click it. Scroll down to the installer section and click Download Installer. Save the file to your computer. Once it's downloaded, left-click the file to run it. Now, the setup wizard will pop up. Choose whether you want to install it just for you or all users. I'm going with just me. Select your language, let's go with English, and click Next. Accept the license agreement by clicking I agree. Choose where to install the app or just stick with the default location. Check the box Create Desktop Shortcut, click Next, then click Install. Once it's done, click Finish to launch the app. That was easy, right? Okay, now Lively Wallpaper is open, and you're greeted with a library of 12 gorgeous animated wallpapers. Let's try one. Left-click on a wallpaper, like Living Room. Bam! Your desktop now has a live, moving background. Minimize the app to see it in action. These wallpapers are high quality, and the best part? They're completely free. I've paid for wallpaper apps before, and some weren't even this good. Want to explore more? Scroll through the library. You've got cool options like Parallax, which moves with your mouse, or a Matrix-style digital rain for that hacker vibe. Left-click any wallpaper to set it instantly. If you want to tweak one, right-click its thumbnail in the library and select Customize. Adjust settings like animation speed or colors, then click OK to save. Not every wallpaper has customizable options, so don't worry if some are grayed out. Now, let's set a custom wallpaper using a video from your PC or YouTube. Say you've got a cool video clip. In Lively Wallpaper, click the plus icon at the top to add a wallpaper. Click Browse under Select File, then find your video file. Select it and click Open. Give it a name, like Custom Anime Loop, and click OK. It'll appear in your library. Left-click it to set it as your wallpaper. Look at that! Your desktop is alive. No video on hand? No problem. You can use a YouTube video. Open a new browser tab and go to youtube.com. Search for Wallpaper Loop. Hit Enter. Find a high-quality video, like a 4K nature loop. Left-click the Share button, then copy the link. Back in Lively Wallpaper, click the plus icon again. Paste the YouTube link in the Enter URL field and click the arrow. Name it something like Nature Loop and click OK. It might take a few seconds to load, but once it's in your library, left-click it to set it. Your desktop's now rocking a crystal clear YouTube video as a wallpaper. Here's a quick tip. Live wallpapers can use a bit of CPU, around 6 to 9%, so if you're on a low-spec PC, stick to simpler animations to avoid slowdowns. You can also pause the wallpaper when gaming. Right-click the Lively Wallpaper icon in the system tray and select Pause. This saves resources when you're in a full-screen app. Oh, and if you're loving these tech hacks, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It helps me bring you more tutorials like this every week. Let's keep the tech passion alive. One last trick. Want a static image to feel dynamic? In Lively Wallpaper, click the plus icon, select Advanced, and choose Depth Wallpaper. Upload a static image, like a cool anime character or a landscape. Click Download, then Continue to let the AI add a parallax effect. Move your mouse on the desktop to see the depth in action. You can adjust the effect by clicking Customize and tweaking the sliders. There you have it! You've just transformed your Windows 11 desktop with free animated wallpapers using Lively Wallpaper. Try out different wallpapers, play with custom videos, or go wild with YouTube loops. Let me know in the comments which wallpaper you picked Until next time, stay passionate about tech.